up, everyone? It's Multi-Hunter 24/7. What you just seen was me trying to get my dad's windmill that used to be in great shape. You can kind of see it, but now it's all falling apart. Like, it's got no fins on it. It's pretty bad shape. But well, anyway, but the main tail fin is hanging down in a downward position, and he's afraid that thing's going to break on loose and go through the roof of the house or go through the roof of the car. And so is what I did is I went up there with a cable and clamps, and I wrapped through the tail several times to secure it. That way, if it does break loose, it might drop probably 2 feet or so, and then it'll catch it. And then if that happens, then we'll go back up there, tie a rope to it, and slowly let it down. That way it won't land on nobody, no car, no house. But it used to be a beautiful windmill. It's just all torn apart now. But it doesn't look that high, but it's pretty far up there. I'll show y'all some footage of kind of a bird's eye view of that from another day that I was up there looking around. But I used to climb up that thing just for fun when I was younger, but now that I'm 41, it's a little more scary. I don't really enjoy it as like I used to. But we will talk to y'all later. Just another little project done for my dad.
Take a picture of Jack's house too.
Yeah, right.